Welcome to our manufacturing software demo. In the next 6 minutes, we'll take you through a complete overview of how our solution simplifies manufacturing operations, from sales orders to dispatch. Let's get started with the dashboard and move through each module step by step. Here are the main dashboards that give a snapshot of the entire manufacturing operation. This central hub gives you an overview of key business metrics, ensuring you stay updated with real-time data. Check your sales orders, RFQs, manufacturing orders, and work order stages real-time on your laptop, tablet or phone. From here, you can quickly navigate to any module you need. Let's begin with the sales order module. First, we create a new sales order by adding essential customer and product details. The intuitive interface makes order creation seamless. Once created, you can view all sales orders in the All Sales Order section, where tracking and managing orders becomes effortless. Next, let's talk about material planning, a crucial step in ensuring seamless production. With our software, you can analyze demand, forecast material needs, and generate automated procurement suggestions. Next is the MIR module. Creating a material issue request is straightforward. Simply select the required materials linked to your sales order. In the All MIR section, you can review all past requests, ensuring you never miss critical material requirements. Moving on to procurement, where we streamline the procurement process. Begin with a purchase request, specifying required items. All requests can be managed from the All Purchase Request section. Use RFQ, Request for Quotation, to collect supplier quotes. The RFQ comparison feature helps you select the best vendor based on price and quality. Finally, generate a purchase order with a single click to confirm your procurement. Your purchase order will be generated from Zoho Books. Now, let's create the Bill of Materials, BOM. A BOM outlines the components and quantities required for production. We'll quickly draft a BOM here. You can access all existing BOMs in the All BOM section for easy management and reference. Work centers define the locations where manufacturing tasks take place. The All Work Centers section gives you a complete view of all active workstations, ensuring optimized production flow. Next is the Manufacturing Order (MO) module. The All Work Orders section lets you manage each task step by step. All operations track each manufacturing process in real time. The manufacturing schedule helps you visualize the entire manufacturing timeline, ensuring on-time production. Machines are the backbone of manufacturing. In the Machine module, you can view the Machine Master, where all machinery details are stored. The maintenance schedule ensures regular servicing, preventing downtime and improving efficiency. Quality control is vital. The Quality Check module ensures each product meets the required standards. With Safety Inspection, you can ensure workplace safety and compliance with regulations. Vendor management is simplified here. Create and manage vendors effortlessly. The Vendor Evaluation feature lets you rate vendors based on performance, ensuring you always choose the best partners. The Masters module centralizes crucial data, manage vendors, customers, and warehouses. The Items section tracks your product inventory. Manage UOM, units of measurement, to standardize your records. Lastly, customer contracts ensure all agreements are properly recorded and easily accessible. All relevant modules are synchronized with Zoho Books and Zoho Inventory. Finally, we have the Reports module. All reports provide detailed insights into sales, production, quality, and vendor performance. And that brings us to the end of our demo. For more information or a personalized walkthrough, feel free to contact us.